Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this fantastic mini hatch 2 litre Cooper SD. Now this vehicle has currently done 31,269 miles and it's finished in the colour midnight black. It does come with 9 previous mini services. It's been well maintained over the low mileage it's covered. It sits very nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You do have the bi-xenon headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. Here in the boot you'll find 160 litres of space, which can be increased to 680 with the rear seats down. You can fit a weekly shop in there very nicely. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you'll find your gorgeous black leather interior with the contrasting beige piping. Both the rear seats here have ISOFIX points, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Here up front you'll find the John Cooper Works leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel round to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable while driving. On the steering wheel here you have controls for adjusting the radio as well as your cruise control here to the right. Here at the top of the dashboard you also have your speedometer as well as your rev counter and your trip display where you can access different trip information. At the top you'll find your lighting. You also have ambient lighting throughout the interior. You've got a selection of colours to choose from, so you can add your own little personal flair to this very stylish Mini. In the centre of the dashboard you do have your radio as well as the iconic large speedometer. The system has access to DAB and FM radio. There is also CD, USB and auxiliary input. You even have access to Bluetooth telephone connectivity, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. You can also access your trip computer and additional system settings. Down below you'll find your automatic air conditioning, which is very easy to use. You also have the optional extra heated front seats to keep you warm and comfortable on those colder days. You've got a 12-volt socket there, your USB and auxiliary input, 2 cup holders. You also have your sport button there as well as your start-stop system and traction control. You've got a 6-speed manual gear selector here in the centre console as well.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.